excited about. A truly remarkable video animation software that will be available in the market, that gives you the ability to create any kind of video you need in a matter of minutes. Introducing CreateStudio. CreateStudio is the most revolutionary video animation software that enables average Joes like us to easily make pro studio quality animated videos. No need to hire another video agency, and no need to spend hours or weeks working on a single flipped-in video. Now you can create literally every type of video you need in a matter of minutes. Here's a quick video demo how easy to use this CreateStudio.
With CreateStudio, making professional videos is easy, even if you've never done it before. In our intuitive drag and drop editor, you can import media, add text, images, and audio, and enhance your videos with motion graphics, text presets, and much more. Effortlessly animate any layer in just one click, using our built-in motion presets. You can also create your own custom animations with advanced options and custom easing on our full-feature timeline. Build your own character explainer videos with premium 2D and 3D characters. Simply select a character, choose an action, and animate. Adjust the size of your video to fit social, mobile, and other popular formats. Once you're ready, publish your video in your preferred resolution. Creating incredible videos has never been easier. So whether you need a promotional video, a social story, or a gorgeous character explainer, CreateStudio is the perfect tool for both entrepreneurs and creators, giving you the flexibility to simply create. So what are you waiting for? Make better videos faster today.
Did you like it? We also added some exclusive bonuses if you grab this through me. Bonus number 1. Client Booster Explainer Template with total value of $497. Bonus number 2. Green Screen Kit with total value of $97. Bonus number 3. Client Questionnaire $97. Plus we are giving away a free video thumbnail creator app and video ads creator app worth $197. What are you waiting for? Get the most epic animation software here now. Be quick and grab your copy now plus our exclusive bonuses. Go ahead and click the link below to access. See you at the inside. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching.